I feel like the Dave Longstreth in particular has sort of been a figure that has kind of shadowed me, or at least his music has, for a long time. And whenever things in my life seemed like they were, I don't know, not going well, or I felt particularly down, for whatever reason, that music always helped me. And I particularly remember when this album came out, and that track, just I listened to it, I think maybe a billion times on repeat, constantly. And it's sort of a reminder of both some really hard times and some really good times, and especially my relationship to music. It just sort of brings all of that to the fore. That it's very visceral, but it's also hard to parse out what it is. Yeah, I feel like, again, it's just this feeling of being watched by a spirit, or people that have passed or gone, or things that have happened in my life that have, that I miss or feel reminiscent. I'm reminiscing about, like, that's sort of the feeling I get of just that, which is difficult, but also weirdly comforting in a way, or it feels like, being able to see your sadness, and not feel consumed by it is a really powerful thing. And I feel that, or I channel that when I'm listening to this song, or especially when I'm playing it. My whole musical project is an homage to my mom, and it's a way of figuring out how joy and sadness can coexist, and how sadness doesn't have to consume you, and it doesn't have to, be totally debilitating at all times, but that it's okay to recognize it and to see it and to let it be, and also know that, there is a possibility for joy, and that possibility for joy is always there. I guess that's all.